Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are going to watch part 44 display and edit templated helpers in MVC. In this session you will learn display and edit templates helpers in MVC. Before watching this video 41, 42 and 43, in part 43 I was explained about hidden input and read only attributes. So this is today's learning session display and edit templated helpers. Templated helpers are introduced in MVC2. These built-in templated helpers can be broadly classified in two categories: display templates and editor templates. There are three display templated helpers: @html.display. Inside of that, name of the uh, display. Okay, so employee data is my display name, used with a view that is not strongly typed. For example, if you have stored data in view data, then we can use these templated helpers using the key that was used to store data in view data. Okay, so first we see this one: @html.display for model equal to such that model means lambda expression used with strongly typed views. If your model has properties that return complex objects, then these templated helpers is very useful. Means all your controls in strongly typed, then you will use this model. If @html.display for model used with strongly typed views, walk through each property in the model to display the object. Okay, so all the properties are displayed using this display for model. So let's check to the Visual Studio. We have this details method and edit method here. We will use this details method to display the property of the controller or view side. Okay, and in using edit we will use editor templates. So these both have this edit and template edit and details view. So let's delete these views. So details and edits, we delete it from this default controller. Okay, now we will create another view for this details view. So right click on this and add view. Okay, this add view will be using this details template and model class the web application 1 and default controller. So web application 1 dot models, this not, and we are using this employee table. So employee web application 1 dot models. Okay, and click on this add. So we will use display template attributes here in this view. First we will use display for model. Okay, for display for model we uh, delete this all these HTML controls. Okay, display name for display for all this. So we don't need this. Okay, and first we will check this output of the without display model. Okay, when we run this program. Okay, okay, you can see here my this default details view with id equal to 1 display this record. Okay, now I will use display for model. For that I will delete this all the controls. Okay, I am deleting this all the controls, and inside of this I will write display for model. Okay, and this display for model will use this employee model. So at the rate html dot display for model. Okay, save it and run it. So the same view will be displayed using this model. I am using this display for model, whatever I have given here, this one. Okay, display for model. Because we have using all controls strongly typed. Okay, so let's gonna check. I have saved it and refresh this page again. Right, guys, you can see here using display for model, I can also display this all the things. Okay, now I will use this html.display employee data. Okay, for that, what I need a view data, and using view data, I will display the records. So leave it and go to the details view. Inside of details view, I will delete this model property. Okay, and here I will delete this for model and display. Inside of this I will pass the view data. What is my view data? This one. So control C and go to the details view, paste here this employee data. Okay, save it and run it. Use id equal to 1 to display the records. And this one also done, same like that. This model equal to model display for will be used with strongly typed view. Okay, so now let's go to the editor model. Okay, so display edit templated helpers. Templated helpers are introduced in MVC2, and these built-in templated helpers can be broadly classified uh, within these two categories, display template and editor templates, and we have gone through this display templates. Now we will go through editor templates. So there are three edit templated like display templates. Okay, so these three edit templated helpers are okay. There are three edit templated here at the HTML editor, and inside of that the name, and editor 4 editor 4 model, same like display templates. Okay, so to associate metadata with model class properties we use attributes. In the previous sessions of this video series we have discussed about various data annotations attributes. Means this various attributes inside of this employee model class. Okay, uh, this metadata class have these different attributes like read only attribute, data type attribute for currency, data type attribute for url for website, and for uh, email address you have used this. Okay, read only property like that. So these templated helpers use metadata associated with the model to render the user interface. Okay, The built-in display and edit templated helpers can be very easily customized. We will discuss this in a later video session. Now we will use editor template in the Visual Studio. Let's gonna for that we have this edit method, okay, and inside of this edit method we have this property. So I will right click on this and create a view for that. For before this, I have to disable this debugging, and now we'll right click on this add view. Now edit, I will use here only empty template, okay, so that we can display the editor model property. Model class, and here I will use employee application one dot model, so this one, and click on add. Inside of view we will create now the editor model property, okay. So for that, what you will do, I will use here, uh, I want to edit the data, okay. So for that I will use at the rate using html.begin form, okay, at the rate using html dot begin form, and inside of that I will pass at the rate html dot editor for model dot editor for. So okay, I have used here this editor for model, and now we will run the program. Okay, you can see here this is my editor template, and now I can edit here, okay. So using this I can display the model. Another one is html.editor for model equal to model. This is for strongly typed view, means if you use strongly typed controllers in your page, you can use this html.editor for, okay. Presently I have used this editor for model, and to use this you have to use view data, okay, html.editor employee data. So this is my end of the session, okay. And now, okay, thank you for listening my video, and if you like this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you. Have a great day.